Tae Guk Chil Poomsae number 7. This poomsae consists of tiger stance, back, big, cross, walking, and riding horse stance, palm block, inside block, single knife block, double knife low block, double out block, scissor block, double X low block, back fist, double under punch, elbow, long center punch, front kick, knee strike, and cut kick. Jumbi. Right hand, tiger stance, inside block. Kick, step back, left hand block. Turn in place, tiger stance, palm block. Kick, step back, inside block. Back stance, double knife low. Back stance, double knife low. Tiger stance, palm block, back fist. Repeat the other side, palm block, back fist. Left foot together, breath control. Right hand becomes a rock. Right hand up, left hand down. Left foot step, scissor block. Feet together, chamber, scissor block. Give yourself a hug, double out block. Grab the bad guy, knee, double under, step back, double low. Repeat, double block. Grab the bad guy, knee, double under, back, double low. Walking stance, back fist. Grab, cut kick, elbow, back fist. Grab, cut kick, elbow, back stance, knife, riding horse stance, punch with the kia. And bottle.